Scratch is my favorite thing to create projects. I'm going to share some of it with you guys. So, when you start Scratch, you will see the screen. Here are the parts of this screen. This is the script area. And these names are block menus. And this button opens extensions with you access to music and pen blocks and other things, which I will explain in future Scratch videos. And this tutorials button allows you to open tutorials. And when you click it, open the tutorial if you want to, and the tutorial screen will show up. If you want to close it, then close it. And the flag allows you to play the project, and this red button stops it. The stage is where your code comes to life. And this is the sprite area and the backdrop area. Now here are the first steps. This is the when flag clicked code, and added with a move 10 steps block, and add a stay block, and the cat will say hello, and it will move. Hello, move. Here are some more steps on Scratch. Try dragging these blocks from the mouse menu area to make the cat walk. Set rotations are left right. Point towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. Then click on the sound menu and add a start sound block. Click on the script to run it. Click a few lines and watch what happens. The script goes as it runs. The cat moves and meows. If you drag the cat, if the cat goes too far, you can drag it back again. But the cat doesn't look at this as moving. For that, its feet need to move. Click on the mix menu and then next costume block. This changes to another picture or costume of the same kind. In this case, the cat with its feet in a new position. Click on the script a few times. The cat's feet move, but only when you click on the script. To keep things going, you need to go to the control menu for repeat block. This block makes all instructions inside repeat or loop as many times as you tell it. If you want to keep things going as long as you want, you can change the my variable name to repeat. And then you can show it and then set it to slider. I think this is taking so long now. Repeat. And slider. There we go. And now you can repeat as many times as you tell it. And now click green flag block, and then you can change the repeat to many times as you want. Repeat 19. And I'll say it to 31. It's so crazy. Alright, thanks for watching. If you want me to make more Scratch videos, then please subscribe.